बहुत शुरू थे और फिर बुरी हिंदी कैसे उन्हें कहा फिर कोई भी नहीं रहते हैं फिर क्या बोलेंगे उनको कोशिश करते इसलिए बोला कि आर और ओ होना ही चाहिए तो दोनों को जी आर ओ चाहिए अगर
Hello.
तो फिर ये मश होगा नहीं
Hello. Hi, Jitnasa Bal. Am I audible to you? Hello. Hello. Hello,
Hello,
Jitnasa.
Jitnasa.
Am I audible
Am
to
I
you?
audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay.
Okay,
Today we will start
today
week
we will
four
start week
discussion.
4 discussion.
Till now we have
Till now we
discussed
have
week
discussed
one, week two,
week
week
1, week
three,
2,
and
week 3, and
we will
we will
have just a
have
brief
just a
recap
brief recap
of all
of
3 weeks.
all 3 weeks.
Here,
Here,
here I'm
here
I'm having a
I'm having a
discussion of
discussion
design of farm
of design of
machinery
farm
course
machinery
of
course
NPTEL, which
of
is taught by
NPTEL,
Professor
which is taught
Hibzur
by
Rahman,
Professor Hibzur
and
Rahman, and
this
this
discussion session
discussion
is
session
part
is
of my
part of
PMRF
my PMRF
TA duty.
TA duty.
So
So
we will start the
we will
class
start the class
now.
now.
In week
In
one,
week 1,
in week one
in week 1 we saw
about tillage
about
implements,
tillage
active and
implements,
passive
active
tillage
and passive tillage
implements.
implements.
Then we discussed
Then we
about MB
discussed
plow.
about MB plow.
Then forces
Then
acting on the
forces
MB
acting
plow,
on the MB plow,
components of the MB
components
plow.
of the MB plow.
Then we also solved
Then
the
we also solved the
numericals.
numericals.
Then we
Then we
saw that how
saw that
these
how these
useful and
useful and
parasitic forces
parasitic
act
forces
on the
act
on
on
this
the
MB
on
plow.
this MB plow.
Then
Then
numericals we solved
numericals we
on the
solved
basis of
on the
those
basis of
forces.
those forces.
And
And
after that
after
we
that
solved
we
all the
solved
questions
all the
of
questions
week
of
one.
week
In
1.
week two,
In week 2,
in week two we
in
mainly
week 2 we
discussed
mainly discussed
disc plow,
disc plow,
where we saw how
where
to
we saw
design a
how to
disc plow,
design a disc plow,
how to
how
know the
how to
diameter
know
of the
the
disc
diameter
plow,
of the disc plow,
then cutting width
then
of disc
cutting width
harrow,
of disc
then
harrow,
forces
then
acting on the
forces
disc
acting
harrow,
on the
and
disc
we
harrow, and
discussed
we discussed
a,
a,
a design of
a
45
design of
HP
45 HP
disc harrow.
disc harrow.
This was
This
in week
was
2,
in
and
week
week 3
2, and week 3
we mainly
we
discussed
mainly
about
discussed
rotavator,
about rotavator,
angles associated
angles
with
associated with
rotavator,
rotavator,
types of blade,
types of blade,
about tailing
about
pitch,
tailing
about a
pitch,
specific
about a
work,
specific work,
and we also
and
solved the
we also solved the
we also solved
we also
those
solved
questions
those
of
questions of
week 3.
week 3.
In week 4,
In week 4,
in week 4 we
in
will
week 4 we
discuss
will discuss
We will discuss
We will discuss last year's NPTEL
questions
questions of
of Dijana Farm
Dijana
Machinery.
Farm Machinery.
And here the
And
first
here
question
the first question is
the total
the
specific
total
work and
specific
torque
work and
acting
torque
at the rotor
acting at
shaft
the rotor shaft
for a tractor
for
drawn
a tractor
rotavator
drawn
when
rotavator when
operated
operated in concurrent mode in working depth of 1.2 meter at
17,800
17,800
kg
kg
per
per
meter
meter cube
cube and 800
and
Newton
800
meter.
Newton meter. The depth of operation
And number of
and
blades
number
working
of
the
blades
same
working
plane
in the
is 10
same plane is 10
centimeter and 2
centimeter and 2 respectively.
We have to find
We have to find the tailing pitch.
So in last
So
class
in last class we
the
saw
formula for
the
tailing
formula for
pitch.
tailing pitch.
The formula for
The formula for tailing pitch.
So
So
can you recall the
can you
formula for
recall the
tailing
formula
pitch?
for tailing pitch?
Sir, actually, I have missed last class, so I'm not following that.
Hello.
Hello.
So formula
So formula.
for
So the
tailing
formula for
pitch
tailing
is
pitch is
60V by
60V by
NZ,
NZ,
where V is the
where
forward
V is the
velocity of
forward velocity of
rotavator,
rotavator,
N is the
N is the
RPM of
RPM of
blade, and Z
blade,
is the
and Z
number
is
of
the
blades
number of blades
acting in the same
acting in
plane.
the same plane.
So here
So here total specific
the
work,
depth of operation,
the depth of operation, forward velocity of the tractor. I think this question is
wait,
wait.
so
So
in last class we
in last
discussed
class we discussed the total
we discussed the
specific work done by
with
rotavator.
the formula of
The formula of a specific work
A is
is
equal to
A
2
is
pi
equal to
m
2 pi
by
m by
ZLAB.
ZLAB.
In this
In
formula,
this formula, M is the moment acting on the rotavator shaft.
L is
L
the
is
tailing
the
pitch,
tailing
A is
pitch.
the
A
depth of
is the depth
operation,
of
B
operation.
is the
B is the
working width of
working width
rotavator.
of rotavator.
So in this
So in this
we
question,
have given
we
a
have given
specific work
a
which is
specific work which is
17800
17,800
means
means
17,000 17,800
17,800 kg per kg meter
cube.
per meter cube.
This is
This is
17800
17,800
kg
kg meter
per
meter
meter
cube,
cube,
which is equal to 2
m.
pi m.
M is the
M
moment.
is the
Here it
moment.
is given
Here it is given 800
So
Newton
M
meter.
value
So
will
M
be
value will
800
be 800
Newton meter,
Newton meter,
which is divided
which is
by
divided by
ZLAB.
ZLAB. Z means
Total work,
total work,
number of
total
blades
number
working
of
in
blades
same plane,
working in same
which is
plane,
given in
which is
question
given
is
in
2.
question is
So
2.
Z we will
So
put
Z
as
we
2.
will put as 2.
2 into
2
L
into
will be
L
tailing
will
pitch
be tailing pitch
which we need to
which
find.
we need to find.
A is the
A
working
is the
depth.
working
So
depth.
working depth
So
in
working depth
centimeter
in
is 10
centimeter is 10
Here
centimeter.
everything is
Here
in meter.
everything is in
So
meter.
we will convert
So we will
that
convert that
in meter,
in meter,
and
and
BM is the working
BM is
width.
the
Working
working
width of
width. Working width
rotavator
of
is
rotavator
1.2
is
meter.
1.2 meter.
So
So
in this
in this
equation only
equation only
L is
L
unknown.
is
So from
unknown.
here we
So
can
from here
find
we can
what will be the
find
tailing
what will be
pitch.
the tailing pitch.
and we have to
and we have to keep in mind that what we get
here
here
in our right hand
in our
side,
right hand
everything is
side,
in
everything
Newton.
is in Newton,
But
but in
in a specific work,
a
in the
specific work
question is
in the
given is
question
in
is given is
kg.
in kg.
So we need to
So we
convert
need to
that
convert
specific
that
work into
specific work
Newton,
into
which will
Newton,
come,
which will come, which
for
will
that we need
for
to
that we
multiply
need to multiply
this
this
17,800 by
17,800 by
9.81.
9.81.
This will be in
This will be
Newton
in Newton
into 2
into
into
2
pi
into
into
pi
m is
into m is
800 by
800 by
2 into
2 into
L is the tilling
L is
pitch
the tilling pitch.
in
In
centimeter.
centimeter,
Depth of operation is
depth of operation
0.1
is
meter
0.1
into
meter
1.2.
into 1.2.
This from
This
this we can
from
get
this we
what is
can
the
get
tilling
what
pitch.
is the tilling pitch.
So you
So
can find it.
you can find it.
So
So
Jiz Nasabal, am I
Jiznasa
audible
Bal,
to
am I
you?
audible to you?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
I think.
I think.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, please speak
Yes,
again.
please speak
Hello.
again. Hello.
Sir, you are audible, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Now
yes.
the voice came.
Now the
Actually,
voice
the
came.
problem
Actually,
was
the
from my
problem was
side.
from my side.
Uh,
Uh,
so,
so,
have you
have you
seen those
seen
lectures,
those lectures,
earlier lectures?
earlier lectures?
Sir, I have completed first and second. I have to complete, so I'll complete and let you know. Like I have not gone through the current lecture, week 4 lecture.
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay.
So we
So we
are you
are
getting
you
these
getting
formulas
these
like a
formulas like
specific
a
work?
specific work?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm getting.
In rotavators
In
class,
rotavators class, last
we
class,
discussed
we
this, that
discussed
what is
this,
the
that
what is the specific
what is
work, what
specific
is
work,
static
what
work,
is static
what is
work,
dynamic
what
work.
is dynamic work.
So
So
in
in
you have solved
you have
week one,
solved
week two,
week
right?
one, week two, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you get any
Did you
problems
get any
there?
problems there?
No, no, sir. In the feedback also, I have mentioned.
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay.
Week three you
Week
will
three
solve
you
right
will
now.
solve right now.
Yes, sir.
So if you'd
So
have wait,
wait,
if you'd have
if you'd have
joined my lectures,
joined
my classes now
my
in discussion
classes now in
section,
discussion
I
section,
discussed
I
all the
discussed all
questions
the
like
questions like
last year questions. If
last
you
year
will see,
questions. If you will see,
like this year
like
question, it
this year
is
question,
mostly
it is
similar.
mostly similar.
So
So
if you will solve
if
this
you
week 3 here, week 4 here,
week 4
you
here,
can easily
you can easily
solve this year
solve
question.
this year
This
question.
I am solving is
This I am
last year
solving is
questions.
last year questions.
Okay, sir. I'll complete it, and if I face any problem, I'll contact you for week during week 5 lectures.
So you are
So you are
your BTech.
your BTech.
Sir, actually, I've completed my MTech,
Oh, okay.
Oh,
but
okay.
as the farm is.
Hmm.
Hmm.
So what is the
So
tilling pitch
what is the
coming here?
tilling pitch coming here?
It should come as
It
12
should come as
centimeter.
12 centimeter.
This value will come
This
at
value will come as
0.119 approx
0.119 approx
in meter.
in
So
meter.
it will be
So
12
it will be
centimeter.
12 centimeter.
In week 3,
In week 3,
Yes, sir.
in week 3,
in week 3,
we discussed
we
everything about
discussed everything
rotavator.
about
So if
rotavator.
you
So
if
if
you have not gone
you have
through
not gone through
the lectures of
the
Rahman sir,
lectures
no?
of Rahman sir, no?
Not yet, sir.
Uh,
Uh,
okay.
okay,
If you have any
if you
doubt
have any doubt
in that week
in
3,
that week
you
3,
can ask
you
me
can
here
ask me here
like
in this
discussion
in this
panel from
discussion
6 to
panel
8
from 6 to 8
on Monday.
on Monday.
Okay, sir. I'll.
Okay.
Okay. Like
in last class,
in last class,
I
I
explained in
explained
detail
in
that how
detail
this
that how this
rotavator works, this
rotavator
tilling
works,
pitch,
this tilling pitch,
how this
how this
shape is coming,
shape is coming,
how
how
the tilling pitch
how the
formula
tilling
is
pitch
coming,
formula is coming,
what are the
how
different
what are the
angles
different angles
associated with
associated
rotavator.
with rotavator.
I
I
explained
explained
all
all
the
the
angles in
angles in
detail
detail
in
in
last
last
class.
class.
like how
like how these graphs are coming,
how this 10
how this 10
delta is being
delta
affected
is
by
being
alpha
affected by alpha
and u by v
and u
ratio.
by v ratio.
So
So
we can discuss it
we can
here.
discuss
And
it here. And
Kamlesh Lal.
Kamlesh Lal.
Kamlesh. So okay, we will
So okay,
we will move to
we
next
will move to
question.
next question.
Here the total
Here
power
the total power
requirement for
requirement
operating a
for operating a
passive
passive combination
till
till is
is
implement
equal to
is equal to
power required to
power
pull the
required to
combination
pull
till
the
is
combination
implement,
till is implement, power
for
required
overcoming the
for
rolling
overcoming the
resistance,
rolling
power required for
resistance,
rotating
power
the
required
disc,
for rotating the
summation
disc,
of total drawbar
summation of
power
total
required
drawbar
to
power
pull both
required to
tractor
pull
and
both
implement.
tractor and implement.
What should be the
What
correct
should be
answer?
the correct answer?
You just guess
You
it,
just guess it,
and then I will tell
and
the
then I
answer.
will tell the answer.
Jisnas, can you
Jisnas, can you
tell what is
tell
passive
what is
passive
passive passive
implement and what is
implement
active
and what is
passive
active passive
implement?
implement?
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, guess one
Okay,
answer
guess one answer
from this.
from this.
The power
The
requirement,
power required for operating
passive
passive
till is
combination
implement,
till is implement,
mainly
mainly
cultivated
cultivated
disk
disc
harrow is
harrow is
equal to
equal to
power
power
required to
required
pull
to
the
pull the
combination till is
combination till is
implement.
implement.
Here it is just an
Here it is
implement.
just an
Power
implement.
required to
Power
overcome the
required to
rolling
overcome the rolling
resistance. Power
resistance.
required to
Power
rotate the
required to
disc.
rotate the disc. Summation of
Power
total
required
drawbar
to
power
pull
required
both
to pull
tractor and
both tractor
implement.
and implement.
Sir, just the combination.
No,
The
No,
A.
hey, in
hey,
option A
in
only
option A
implement is
only
there.
implement is there.
For total power
For total
requirement,
power requirement,
we do
we
summation
do
of both
summation
drawbar
of
power
both drawbar
requirement,
power requirement,
means for tractor
means
and
for
implement
tractor
both.
and implement both.
Drawbar power
Drawbar
requirement, how
power
we
requirement,
calculate?
how we calculate?
Drawbar power
Drawbar
is
power
draft
is
into
draft
velocity.
into velocity.
From here we will
From
get
here
for
we will get for
this tractor
this
and for
tractor
implement.
and for implement.
Here it is
Here it is
they are asking
they
total
are
power
asking total
requirement
power
for
requirement
operating the
for
combination
operating
till
the
implement.
combination till implement.
Okay, coming to
Okay,
next
coming to
question.
next question.
Next question is
Next question
total
is
peripheral
total
force acting on
peripheral force
rotavator
acting on
having
rotavator
36
having
number of blade
36
is
number of blade
480
is
kg.
480 kg.
Considering
Considering one fourth of
number
the
of
total
blades to
number
be
of blades
engaged
to
with
be
soil
engaged with
at any
soil
time
at any
and
time
factor of
and
safety as
factor of
2,
safety as
the
2,
peak force
the peak force for which
for each of the
for
blades
each of the
are to be
blades
designed
are
in
to be
kg
designed in
is.
kg is.
Total peripheral
Total
force
peripheral force
is 480
is
kg.
480 kg.
Suppose this is
Suppose this
rotavator.
is rotavator.
So these are the
Suppose these are
blades.
the blades.
Total
Total
peripheral
peripheral force
force
acting
acting
on
on
rotavator on
36.
36. Total
Number of blade
36
is
number of blade is
480 kg.
480 kg.
Considering one fourth of
Considering one fourth
total
of
number of blades
total
to be
number of
engaged with
blades to
soil
be
at
engaged with
any
soil at any
one time.
one time.
Means this
Means
480
this
kg
480
will be
kg
acted
will be
on
acted on
one fourth of
one
this total
fourth
number
of
of
this
blades,
total number of blade, not all
not
36
so
blades.
36
So 36
by 4,
by 4,
that is 9.
that is 9.
9 number of blades
9
will be
number of blades
striking
will
the
be
soil at
striking the soil
a
at
single
a
time,
single time,
and on
and
that time
on that time 48 480
active.
kg is active.
Means we need to
Means we
divide
need to
480
divide
by 9.
480 by 9.
This will be
This will be
the force acting
the
on
force acting
each
on
blade.
each blade.
And for
And
designing,
for
they are asking
designing, they
that
are asking that
factor of safety we
factor
need
of
to
safety
take
we
2.
need to take 2.
Answer of first
Answer
question
of
means
first
this
question means
question.
this question.
Answer of first
Answer
question
of first
means
question
which
means
question you are
which question
asking?
you are asking?
Sir, this one. The final answer is 12 or 10?
Here the final answer
Here
is
the
12.
final answer is 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So here we need to take 2 as factor of safety. So we will
multiply
multiply this by
and
2
answer will
and
come.
answer will come.
So what you are
So
getting?
what you are getting?
Kamlesh, you are solving
Kamlesh, you are
questions?
solving questions?
So D.
Okay.
Okay.
D106.67.
D106.67.
From where you
From
have
where
done your
you have done your
masters
masters
and BTech also?
and BTech also?
Sir, BTech from OUAT Bhubaneswar and Masters from Anand Agricultural University.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
OUAT means
OUAT
which batch
means which
you have
batch
completed
you have
BTech?
completed BTech?
Which year?
Which year?
Sir, 22.
22 was your
22 was your
passing year,
passing
na?
year, na?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
You know Swastik
You know
Mahakur?
Swastik Mahakur?
Probably he's my junior.
Okay.
Okay.
Swagatika, you must not
Swagatika,
be
you
knowing.
must not be knowing, na?
Swagatika.
Swagatika.
Pragatika ma'am is senior. She was our, like, she's currently doing her PhD there only.
She is my lab mate.
She is my
And
lab mate.
yeah, she's in with Rahman sir as guide, I think.
Means we are lab
Means
mates.
we are lab mates.
Okay.
And upper
And upper
from my batch.
from my batch.
Aparna ma'am is also there. Raut,
Hmm,
Aparna Raut.
From my batch,
From my batch, many of the
students were from
students were
OUAT.
from OUAT.
Ayan Paul sir is also.
Ayan is my batchmate.
Ayan is my batchmate. Ayan is there.
Then Ansuman
Then
is there.
Ansuman is there.
Yeah, sir.
Swadhi, Swanka.
Swadhi, Swanka. Too many people. So
they are Ayan is your just
immediate senior. Na?
No. Like 2 or 3 batches.
Okay. So next question is
which of the following statement is true for a rotavator operating in reverse mode as compared to its operation in concurrent mode?
So for this, I will take you to next
means previous week.
Here I've
Here
explained
I've explained in very detail that how this
what is the effect
what
of
is the
this
effect
alpha.
of this alpha. Alpha is positive. Alpha is more than like 0 to 100 is in concurrent mode, like it is positive. For reverse mode, we take alpha as negative. So
See,
see,
this is the
working of blade. This is in reverse mode. This is in concurrent mode. When UV ratio is very less, this is the shape of furrow slice which is getting cut by rotavator, and this is in concurrent mode.
This is the
This is the configuration of blade.
Here suppose
this is
exactly
this one is the blade.
When this blade
is moving, this will move forward.
This will move
forward, and at this point, just where we are making this diagram, at this point it will have a rotary circumference. This circle is the rotary circle, which is made by
means at
what distance this blade is there from center.
That circle
will be the rotary circumference, and there will be one cutting trajectory, because rotavator will also move forward. So this one will be the cutting trajectory of the rotavator blade.
This is the
previous,
like
previously it was here in previous cycle. In next round it is going this side. So this one is the soil slice.
So at
cutting trajectory, this is making an angle.
This angle.
This is with respect to cutting trajectory, and this is the rotary trajectory. This one. Second line. I will make it with red pen.
This is cutting
trajectory. This is rotary. This is on rotary circumference, red one, and green one is on
cutting
trajectory.
Or the
angle made by this blade surface with
this one
like with the rotary circumference, that is called setting angle.
And what
it makes with
the
what it makes with the cutting trajectory, that is cutting angle lambda.
When it is
When it is moving forward, US is the cutting speed.
So when you will
So
see
when you will
US
see US
and this angle
and
is
this angle
360
is
minus
360
alpha.
minus alpha,
This one is alpha.
this one is alpha.
So US
So
when you will
US when
project
you will
on
project on
this line,
this line,
it will be
US will be
this is
US. This is del delta. Del delta also we discussed in last class. That is
angle of
angle of path intersection angle, del delta. So US
cos
cos del delta will be
whole line.
this whole line.
And this whole line
In this whole line we discussed that it is
US cos
US cos del delta equal to U minus B sin alpha.
So US
So US cos and cos delta del delta will go that side. So this is the expression for cutting speed.
and
And alpha is positive in case of
concurrent mode
concurrent mode and alpha is negative in case of
reversed
reversed revolution.
So
So when you will put alpha negative,
when alpha is
negative here,
this will become
positive this whole term, means it will increase.
So US will
US will increase when alpha is negative. That is when we will operate in reverse mode, US will increase.
So
related to that, the question is being asked here. Which of the following statement is true for a rotavator operating in reverse mode as compared to its operation in concurrent mode?
Now you read
Now you read all these four options and tell.
You read all the
four options.
Reversed mode
has less specific work.
The peripheral
force acting on the blades are higher in case of reversed mode.
The draft
required for moving the implement and tractor forward
remains same.
Reverse mode results in higher cutting speed.
Just now we
discussed that US is equal to V minus sin alpha by
cos
del delta.
In case of
reverse mode alpha is negative. So this term will increase and cutting speed will increase.
So what will be the
answer?
So cutting D.
Yes, reverse
mode results in higher cutting speed.
This is the performance
evaluation of passive combination tillage implement.
Passive implement.
You know what is passive implement?
Passive
implement are those where the implement doesn't where the working element of the
implement
like
in case of
Ambiplo, that mold board.
Or in case
of disk harrow, that
if
disk,
those are getting
power, then we call it active tillage implement. If those are getting power from the tractor, those are active tillage implement. And when the working element
doesn't get
power, that is called passive tillage implement. So for passive combination tillage implement, this we have discussed in earlier classes. So here the performance evaluation we are discussing. The tillage performance index in case of passive tillage implement, that is PP,
is denoted
by K into Vs into Si by MWD into Fe.
Fe
is the fuel energy input.
Si
is the soil inversion. Soil inversion is denoted by
weight of weeds
before tillage operation and weight of weeds after tillage operation.
So
WB is the weight
before and
WA is the weight of weeds after. We will subtract that and divide by after tillage and we will multiply into 100, that is soil inversion. So SI is soil inversion.
Vs is the
volume of soil handled per unit time,
which is
effective field capacity into depth of operation into 100.
effective field capacity, how we denote? Suppose meter square per hour, depth of operation is meter, so this will be meter cube per hour. So volume of soil handled is meter cube per hour. Soil inversion formula is this one. Here in this tillage performance index, we will put in percentage this SI. And MWD, what is MWD? It is mean weight diameter of soil aggregate in mm. And Fe is the fuel energy. Fuel energy means calorific value of fuel into fuel consumption, that is liter per hour. So when we will solve numerical, it will become more clear. Next thing is performance evaluation of combined disc harrow. In case of disc harrow, we don't consider that the factors which we consider here, like MWT, soil inversion, those factors will not come. Here, what will come? Here it depends on volume of soil handled. Then what was the cone index earlier and what is the cone index before? Delta CI is cone index after, before minus cone index after by cone index before. Because here the soil will become loose. SI is the soil inversion. So this is the performance of active passive tillage implement, and this is the performance index of passive implement. Next is draft utilization ratio, that is means draft of individual and combination tillage implement. Suppose this is a combination tillage implement. This is one implement is here in front and one implement is here in rear. So front one will be acting on undisturbed soil and rear one will be acting on already tilled soil. So it will have more draft. It will have less draft. So if we have draft of combination tillage implement, if we need to know what is the draft of combination tillage implement, then that will be sum of draft of front gang, front implement plus draft of rear implement, and draft of rear implement will be some draft utilization ratio, that is lambda, into draft of what is there in the rear side. Suppose in front we have moldboard and in rear we have cultivator. This is in front, this is in rear. So what will be the draft of combination tillage implement? Draft of moldboard plow plus draft of cultivator, but here draft of cultivator will have some draft will be multiplied with some draft utilization ratio. So suppose this question is here. A tractor operated rotor cultivator of working width 1.65 meter when operated with a depth of 10 centimeter and forward speed of 3 km per hour, the field efficiency was found to be 78%. The volume of soil handled in meter cube per hour will be. This is just you can also solve it by balancing the units. Whose rotavator working width is 1.65 meter. When operated at depth of 10 centimeter, this is working at a depth of 10 centimeter. It has working width of 1.65 meter. It has a forward velocity of 3 km per hour. Its field efficiency is 78%. So what will be the volume of soil handled? It is asking in meter cube per hour. So 3 kilometer, we can convert it in everything in meter. Then hour it is already here. So 3 kilometer in meter will be 3000 meter. This is per hour. 3000 meter per hour. Then 1.65 meter is width. Then 10 centimeter means 0.1 meter. This will be meter cube per hour. This we already got meter cube per hour. But this is This is what actual or theoretical. This is theoretical meter cube per hour. Field efficiency is 78%. So we need to multiply it with 0.78 and this will be actual soil volume handled. Volume of soil handled. So you just multiply 3000 into 1.65 into 0.1 into 0.78.
So what is option A?
Is it coming?
So B is the answer.
Yes, yes, B is the answer. 386.1. So next question is, for a passive implement, delayed of performance is passive implement we just saw this one.
So
Vs
option
into hmm, inversely proportional to mean weight diameter, inversely proportional to volume of soil handled, directly proportional to fuel energy, and all of these.
so inversely proportional to mean weight diameter.
Yes, inversely proportional to mean weight diameter. Because Kamlesh, you are wrong. Because we just saw that performance delayed performance index of passive is equal to volume of soil handled into say
Into SI by MWT into FP.
to SI by MWT into FE. This is directly proportional to all these things. So inversely proportional to MWT is correct. Inversely proportional to volume of soil handled, that is incorrect. Directly proportional to fuel energy, that is also incorrect. So Kamlesh, the correct answer is A. So next question is, for a tractor operated combined offset disc harrow when operated at a forward speed of 2.5 km per hour, the fuel consumption and volume of soil handled were found to be 4 liter per hour and 480 meter cube per hour. The soil inversion was observed to be 72% with a reduction of cone index at 65%. Heating value of diesel is 36.5 megajoule per liter. What will be the tillage performance index of this implement?
So forward speed we have to take directly as 2.5 or we have to multiply with AFC into D into 100.
It depends on what you are in which unit you are you want to have it. Like here it is kilometer per hour. If you want in meter cube per hour, then you leave this hour as hour. In kilometer you just convert in meter. If you will convert this in meter per second, then again you will need to multiply that by 3600. But here everything is given. Volume of soil handled is already given. 480 meter cube per hour. You don't need to do anything with 2.5, I think. Here what is the formula?
K performance index equal to K into VS into SI by MWD into FE.
That is for passive. Here disc harrow is powered in case of combined disc harrow. So here formula will be delta CI by CI before
by FE.
by FE. Yes, this one.
In soil inversion, we take in percentage. This we take in percentage, and this we take in fraction because it is already divided by CIB. So this we take as fraction. And soil inversion formula, what we saw, widths before by widths after by widths before into 100. So this is in percentage. So it is given. Everything is given, I think. This is fuel consumption, FE, specific fuel consumption. So it will be K into Vs into SI. Hmm. So coefficient of proportionality, it is given. If it is not given, we can take as 1. So take K as 1. Then volume of soil handled. It is given 480 meter cube per hour. 480 meter cube per hour into soil inversion in percentage. It is 72% into delta CI by CIB. That is reduction in cone index. We need to have it in fraction. So 65% means 0.65. By what is the fuel energy input? That is what is the fuel required? Fuel consumption is 4 liter per hour, and calorific value of diesel is 36.5 megajoule per liter. 36.5 megajoule per liter into 4 liter per hour. We will do, then we can get megajoule per hour. This is the fuel energy per hour we are giving. So
Sir, one doubt that in soil inversion observed was 72%.
yes.
So do we need to take it as 0.72?
No, we need to take it in percentage. Here I have
Okay.
written. It will be 36.5 into 4. Kamlesh, you are solving?
Sir, the answer is D. I got the answer D.
Okay. Yes. 153.86 will be correct. So everyone got this? Next question is the power required for operating tractor operated cultivated disc harrow is equal to. Tell the answer.
So is the answer D.
Okay, D is summation of power required for overcoming the ruling resistance, draft of implement, and PTO power required for operating the active tillage implement. The disk harrow will be active tillage implement because it will be powered here. So yes, D will be the correct because PTO power required for operating the active tillage implement will also come into the picture. Everything will be added, and we will get total power required for operating this CDH. So D is the correct answer. So next question is, which of the following statement is true for draft utilization ratio lambda or passive combination tillage implement?
So can you please the answer
Sorry.
equation in the previous slide?
Equation. Okay. Equation is there, but
That slide I have not mentioned. Here you can see
lambda will be draft of combination minus
Kamlesh is telling D, I think.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, wait, Kamlesh.
Okay, wait, Kamlesh. This will be DC minus
DFI
DFI by
DRI.
DRI.
This will be draft
This will be draft
utilization
utilization
ratio.
ratio.
So concept,
So concept,
what is draft
what is draft
ratio
utilization ratio that I taught, but what is
like
like
what
what are
are
its values? So
it can vary from
it can
0 to
vary from
1.
0 to 1.
Its maximum
Its
value will be
maximum
1,
value
not
will be 1, not
0.8. So this
0.8. So
statement is
this
correct.
statement is correct.
Incorrect.
Incorrect.
Lambda remains
Lambda remains
same
same
irrespective of soil type.
irrespective of soil type.
Lambda remains same
Lambda remains
irrespective
same
of soil type.
irrespective of soil
That is
type.
also
That is
incorrect.
also incorrect.
Because
Because
different soil will have
different soil will
different
have
draft
different
value and
draft
everything.
value and everything.
Width of rear
Width
passive
of rear
implement does
passive
not
implement does
affect
not
lambda.
affect lambda.
Width will affect
Width will affect because
that will affect
that will affect
what
what
draft of that
draft of
rear
that
implement
rear implement that will also affect that will also affect
lambda.
lambda.
So lambda will
So
depend
lambda
on
will
speed and
depend on
depth of
speed and
operation.
depth of operation.
This will
This will directly
speed and
means
depth of
speed and
operation will
depth of
directly
operation will
affect lambda.
directly affect lambda.
See next
See
question,
next
then it will
question,
become
then
more
it will
clear.
become more clear.
The draft of a
The draft
combination
of a
tool is
combination till
implement
is implement comprising
comprising
wall
moldboard
board
plow
plow
in
in
front
front
and
and
disc
disc
harrow
harrow
in
in
the
the
rear.
rear.
When operated
When
at a
operated at a forward speed of 3.5 km per hour
and depth at 15 centimeter in
and
sandy
depth at
clay loam
15
soil is
centimeter
4
in sandy
kilonewton.
clay loam
Means
soil
draft of
is
combination
4
till is
kilonewton.
implement is
Means draft of combination till is implement
4
is
kilonewton. For
4
the same
kilonewton.
operating condition, the
For the
power
same
required
operating
for
condition,
operating
the power
moldboard plow
required for operating
when
moldboard
only
plow,
moldboard
when
plow is
only moldboard plow is being
in same
operated
condition,
in same condition,
and when only
and
disc
when
harrow
only
is being
disc harrow is being uh,
only disc harrow is
only
there,
disc harrow is
then
there, then it has different
different
it
power
has different
requirement.
power
Means its
requirement.
power
Means its
requirement for
power requirement
moldboard
for
is
moldboard is
3.21 and power
3.21 and
required for
power required
disc
for
harrow is
disc harrow is
1.61.
1.61.
This is the power
This is the power
requirement at
requirement at
3.45 kilometer per
3.45
hour.
km per
So what
hour.
will be
So
draft
what will be
utilization
draft
ratio?
utilization ratio?
MB plow is there
MB
in
plow is
front,
there in front,
disc harrow is there in
disc harrow is
rear.
there in rear.
This is direction of
This is
travel.
direction of travel.
This will be
This will be D
DF. This is
F. This is
DR.
DR.
And draft of
And draft of
combination
combination till
is
is
DF
DF
plus
plus
lambda
lambda
DR.
TR.
From here we can
From
get
here we can
lambda.
get lambda.
Lambda is being
Lambda
asked in the
is being asked
question.
in the question.
So draft of
So
combination
draft of
till is
combination
implement,
till
it
is
is
implement,
given
it is
4
given
kilonewton.
4 kilonewton.
And draft
And
of
draft
front
of
gang,
front
draft of
gang,
front
draft of
implement, that
front
is
implement, that
moldboard
is
plow. It
moldboard
is
plow. It is
3.21, that is power
3.21, that is
requirement,
power
not
requirement,
draft.
not draft.
So
So
if power
if
requirement
power
is given,
requirement is
can
given,
you find
can you find
power
draft
requirement
power requirement
means drawer power
means drawer
requirement.
power
Power
requirement.
requirement
Power
is equal
requirement
to
is
draft
equal to
into
draft
speed.
into speed.
So
So
3.21 is the power
3.21 is the
required
power
in
required
kilowatt
in
is equal
kilowatt
to
is equal to
draft
draft
into
into
speed is
speed is
3.5
3.5
kilometer per hour.
kilometer per hour.
Means draft will be
Means draft will be
3.21 by
3.21 by
3.5 kilometer
3.5
per hour.
kilometer per hour.
This is in
This
kilometer
is
per
in
hour
kilometer per hour,
converted in
convert it in
meter per
meter
second.
per second.
And this is in
And this is
kilowatt
in kilowatt,
converted in
convert it in
watt. Then we will
watt,
get
then
in,
we will get in,
or you can leave
or
it.
you can leave it.
Here it
We
is
will, here it
kilonewton.
is kilonewton.
So
So
everything
everything you can convert in
then we
kilonewton,
can add.
then we can add.
So draft of
So
front, that
draft
is
of front, that
moldboard,
is
will be
moldboard, will be
3.21
3.21
by
by 3.5 by 3.6. This will be meter per second. Here it will come in kilonewton. Plus lambda will be draft utilization ratio. And draft of rear will be disk Harrow's power requirement, that is 1.61 by its speed, that is 3.5 by 3.6. This will be kilonewton of draft. This will be kilonewton, and this is already 4 kilonewton. So from here you can just get lambda. Everything is given. Options are also here. Did you get any answer?
What answer you
What
got?
answer you got? Kamlesh
Jijnasa.
Jijnasa.
So what is option A?
0.4.
0.42.
So I got 0.42.
Okay.
Okay.
Then lambda will be
Then lambda will be
0.42.
0.42.
So this was
So this was
all the
this was
questions
all the
from
questions from
week 4 of
week
last year.
4 of last year.
So mainly
So
week
mainly the
means
they
they give
give approximately similar questions. They will give
this year also.
this year
Like
also.
50%
Like
question will be
50%
similar
question will be
only.
similar only.
So
So
if you will solve
if you
this
will
year
solve
question,
this year question,
then
then most questions you will able to solve.
So week 4 we
So
have
week 4
discussed.
we have
Week
discussed.
3
Week 3
we
till week
already
3 we
discussed in
already
previous
discussed in
classes.
previous classes.
And
And
if you come in next
if you
class,
come in next
Jijnasa,
class, this NASA,
you can note down your
you can note
doubts,
down your doubts,
that what
that what
difficulties you are getting
difficulties you
till
are
week
getting
4.
till week 4.
Solve week 3.
Solve week 3.
Week 3 you have not
Week 3
solved
you have
yet.
not
No?
solved yet. No,
That is not open.
that is not open now.
No, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Solve week 3.
Solve week
Then
3.
you can
Then
ask your
you can
doubts.
ask your doubts here.
During lecture classes
During
also,
lecture
if you have any
classes also,
doubts,
if you have any doubts,
you can join this
you can
session and
join
you
this
can
session
ask
and
me
you
here.
can ask me here.
In this session will
This
be
session will
this
be
session is fixed
this
like
session is
from
fixed like
on
from
Monday 6
on
to 8
Monday
it is
6
here.
to 8 it is here.
So if you don't
So
have
if
any
you don't have
doubts,
any
we
doubts,
will end
we
the
will
class.
end the class.
So as of now, I don't have any doubt. I'll ask you in the next week.
Oh,
Sure.
sure, sure.
Okay, then
Okay,
we'll
then
meet in
we will
next
meet in
session.
next session.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Wait. हाँ कमलेश.
Tell. Tell. Wait, wait one second.
Sir, you are not audible.
हाँ.
Kamlesh. Hello.
Yes, yes, sir. I have one question regarding examination.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible now.
Kamlesh, now say. Now you are audible.
Sir, I have one question regarding examination, NPTEL exam.
Okay, okay.
Sir, is it important to give all the assignment question correct regarding the certification?
Certificate you will get, but there they will also mention marks. Like grade they will mention.
Okay, okay. And sir, this is my first NPTEL exam, so I have one question more, like how much marks I have to obtain so I will be able to clear.
Certificate you will get for like whatever marks you get, but like they are giving just grades only.
And
And if you top that exam, then you will get some facility they are providing like for internship and all.
for two
For
candidates
two
they will
candidates
provide
they will
internship.
provide internship.
Rest you will get
Certificate.
Okay, okay.
And there is some margin like up to this mark you will get this grade. That I will tell you in next class. I have that miss that chart is there on NPTEL.
Okay, okay, sir.
If you just remind in next class about that thing, I will tell you that what on what grade on what marks you will get what grade.
Okay, okay, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.